All right, we gotta have a conversation. Stinky leggings. We gotta figure it out, and we gotta figure out how to fix it. It's driving me bonkers. People are having issues. Leggings stink. You wash them, they still stink. So we're gonna get to the bottom of it. I came across this issue. I was noticing randomness coming from the leggings. Having been washed, they should smell nice and fresh, but they're not, all right? So then I searched deeper. I've tried everything. More soap, additives, spray cleaner, vinegar, baking soda, pine salt, all right? Tried all these things. It's not working. Can't get to the bottom of it. So I looked on the interwebs. It's a thing, and I think I have cracked the code. We have hard water. We had an issue with our dishwasher not very long ago and our hard water. So I started putting two and two together, and I'm like, there's something to this. Okay. When you wear leggings, you sweat wearing anything, but leggings seems to be a little bit more sweaty. And I'm a stinky bitch. I'll admit it. I shower every day and I still stink. My pheromones are just strong, all right? It's just who I am. Bacteria builds up in the fabrics. So I started thinking, there's gotta be a way to this. And you wash them and you think you're cleaning them, but really you're not. We had to take it a step further. And I've already spent way too much time, money, and energy on this problem. So, dug a little deeper, looked into it. I think we figured it out. And we're gonna put it to the test today. I'm gonna wash all my leggings and we're gonna see if they still stink. Hopefully, we've solved this problem. So, I don't know if you've seen my prior video. I was able to pick up a mobile order. It didn't have any food in it, but I was able to place the order. My brain allowed me to go through with it, and I went and I picked it up and they brought it to my car, and here we are. And I'm not even mad. It was good. The grocery thing is probably gonna be a bigger challenge, but we're moving in the right direction. But what I bought was this. Stinky nasty legging crotch smell remover, all right? Allegedly, this is magic. And my clean leggings are actually gonna smell clean now. So we're gonna try it on everything. I'm gonna give you the full rundown if this works or not. And if this works, my face will be on Lysol's jug. You understand what I'm saying here? All right, let's crack her open. So far, so good. Lysol laundry sanitizer, 0% bleach, sport, bras, socks, stinky leggings. Smells pretty good, actually. Not too bad. I was putting vinegar and baking soda in my stuff, and I smelled like a giant pickle. So this is a step in the right direction. Please, Lord, let this work. I did notice that my Fabletics leggings are affected heavily. The material always feels the same as my other ones, but it's not the same. So, whatever great material Fabletics uses definitely doesn't like my arse, all right? So, let's do this. See where we can go, see what we can get done, and put it to the ultimate test, because I'm pretty sure that my leggings are any laundry company's worst nightmare. Are you hearing me? All right? I have enough thighs to choke out a cow, all right? Which in turn means stinky leggings. So let's hop to it. We're going to load her up, see where we can get with this. I went and found every clean pair of stinky leggings that I could find. On the back of the container, there is a heavy sanitation pre-wash thing that you can do, which I decided to do with all of them right from the get-go. So you have to put 2 capfuls per gallon of water, mix it in. So I'm gonna let those suckers soak as long as I can, all right? And then we're gonna go through a normal wash cycle. That's what it says to do. And then in the rinse, I'm gonna add technically 2 cupfuls per load for the normal sanitizing. So here we go. They're soaking and it already smells better. It's gonna be great. All right, they've been soaked, they've been washed, and they've been dried, and they smell fabulous. There is none of that smell left. The only thing left to do is wear a pair and see if it's still in there somewhere. So far, so good. This is promising. Let's wrap up this whole entire stinky leggings situation. Followed the directions. I soaked them. I washed them. I rinsed them in the Lysol Sport. I am shocked, blown away. I don't even comprehend how I didn't know this stuff existed. It works. I'm telling you, it works. I don't know if it's because of the hard water mixed with the bacteria in the fabrics. I don't know. The Fabletics leggings don't smell. The Nike leggings don't smell. The cheap off-brand leggings don't smell. I washed probably 20 plus pairs, soaked them, followed the directions, dried them, let them set overnight because I thought, well, maybe, you never know, it could come back. I'm wearing a pair right now, the worst ones that I had that I was about to throw away. $100 pair of leggings, and I'm wearing them and they don't smell at all. And I've been wearing them all day. So, this stuff is fabulous. It works. Please, if you're dealing with this, go get some. Right now, there's $1.50 off through the Walmart app. It's the Walmart Cash part of the app, so you get the $1.50 back towards your next purchase. But that's $1.50 savings. And it's a 90-ounce jug, so it'll last you a long time. It's definitely going to save you money in the long run. I'm not a big advocate of wasting money on things that probably don't work, but this works, and it will save you money. You will not have to throw your leggings away, and they smell amazing. It's fabulous. I'm going to follow up with this in a few weeks, and I'm going to wear all of them, and I'm going to see if the smells come back and if we can keep them top notch, ready to go. If you have any other hacks for stinky leggings, let me know in the comments box, please. Very important. If you enjoyed this video today and you got stinky leggings and you need to figure out how to get rid of it, go ahead and like this video, subscribe for more fantastic fun on A Lotta's Gotta. Until next time, bye.